Hello guys, today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones and I'm going to fix the issue that your headphones keep disconnecting from your phone. So how to actually fix this issue? The first thing that you need to do is charging your headphones up to 100%. And I mean it, you need to charge your headphones up to 100% and even above. And not of course above like 120%. It needs to just have 100 and leave them plugged in. After peaking this value 100%, you need to leave them for 30 minutes after that. This should fix your issue because battery should recalibrate then, and your headphones won't be at low battery level, which would actually get rid of the connectivity bugs. However, if you still have these connectivity bugs, lags, and your device keep disconnecting from your phone, you need to do something different. Try performing a factory reset and restarting your phone. Not restarting your phone, but resetting your headphones. So turn off your phone for a moment and now perform a factory reset on your headphones. How to do that? With your headphones turned off, hold this power button, for 13 or even 14 or even 15 seconds till you hear pairing. When you hear pairing and your LED light goes crazy, you can turn on your phone, get rid of the previous connection, and then you can try connecting your headphones back again. This should actually fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, if you still get these connectivity issues, try connecting your headphones to a different device. Like for example, if you are connected to your iPhone, try connecting your phone to some different device such as laptop, TV, I don't know, tablet even. You need to check if the issue is placed in your phone, in your device, or if it's stored in the headphones. If you see that there is no issue on other device, your issue is of course in your phone, and you need to fix your phone. And what actually can you do? Clear the Bluetooth cache, like enter apps section, turn on showing system apps, find Bluetooth, normal Bluetooth, and open this app, open start and tap clear cache. Or you can restart your phone and as a last resort factory reset your phone. Of course, I would rather do a backup and contact device support actually, but if the issue is stored in your headphones still, what can you actually do? I don't really think that you can do anything because here we don't have an application, which means that we can't do the firmware update. So actually that's it. Bye.